Can insurance companies use social media against you? The answer is absolutely. They can and they will. If you're making an allegation that as a result of the accident, your ability to use your shoulder is impaired, but you're posting photos of you throwing stuff all the time, they're absolutely going to use that as circumstantial evidence that your shoulder doesn't actually hurt. Yes, insurance companies can use social media against you, and they will if they have the evidence to justify it. So usually the best answer is just be truthful in the world. Stay within your scope of actual injuries. Don't make one up. Till next time.